When it comes to writing requirements as a business analyst, there are 10 critical things to keep in mind to ensure your project's success. Let's dive right in. First up is clarity. Requirements should be crystal clear. Ambiguity can lead to misunderstandings and costly mistakes. For example, instead of saying the system should be fast, specify the system should process transactions in under 2 seconds. This way, everyone knows exactly what fast means. Next is specificity. Vague requirements can result in a product that doesn't meet user needs. Instead of saying the application should be user-friendly, detail what that means. Perhaps you could say the application should allow users to complete a purchase in 3 clicks. This level of detail helps guide development effectively. Then we have testability. Every requirement should be testable. If you can't verify whether a requirement has been met, it's not useful. For instance, instead of saying the software should be reliable, you could say the software should have a downtime of less than 1% per month. This allows for clear testing criteria. Moving on to completeness. Beitu. Ensure that all necessary requirements are included. Missing requirements can lead to gaps in functionality. For example, if you're developing a mobile app, don't forget to specify requirements for both iOS and Android platforms. A complete set of requirements prevents future headaches. Consistency is another key point. Requirements should not contradict each other. If one requirement states that a feature should be available on the home page and another says it should be hidden, that's a problem. Consistency ensures that everyone is on the same page. Next, let's talk about feasibility. It's crucial to ensure that the requirements are realistic and achievable within the project's constraints. If a requirement demands a feature that's technically impossible or too costly, it's better to address that up front rather than during development. Prioritization is essential as well. Not all requirements hold the same weight. Use a prioritization framework to determine which requirements are critical and which can be deferred. This helps the team focus on delivering the most valuable features first. Traceability is about keeping track of requirements throughout the project lifecycle. Each requirement should be linked back to business objectives. This ensures that every feature developed aligns with the overall goals of the project. Next, consider audience awareness. Tailor your requirements to the audience that will use them. For instance, technical requirements for developers should differ from user-facing requirements. Understanding your audience helps in crafting requirements that resonate with their needs. Finally, avoid design bias. It's easy to fall into the trap of designing solutions based on personal preferences or assumptions. Instead, base your requirements on user research and feedback. This ensures that the final product truly meets the needs of its users. By keeping these 10 points in mind, clarity, specificity, testability, completeness, consistency, feasibility, prioritization, traceability, audience awareness, and no design bias, you'll be well on your way to writing effective requirements that lead to successful projects. Remember, the clearer and more detailed your requirements, the smoother the development process will be.